Hey there YouTubers, welcome back. In this video we'll be looking at one of the machines that my friend, unfortunately due to health, has decided needs a new custodian. So we'll have a look at the machine now, and if you're interested, give us a shout. Well, a little bit different than the intro, we're going to look at a few machines today. First one up is a Mark II Dore Westbury. This one's built by my friend. From the plans, etc. It's also got the power crossfeed. You can see the original Dore Westbury one. It's got a control unit underneath a bespoke base which raises up off the bench slightly, because with Dore Westbury a lot of time you've got to cut a hole in the bench. With this little raising generally you don't have to, but it's got the forward and reverse for the main motor for the spindle, and forward and reverse for the power feed, plus an emergency stop. Usual features, excuse me, got the Myford nose on it, so it's the same thread as a Myford ML7 stroke Super 7, so any collet chucks etc you've got for that'll fit on. Comes with a drawbar. So yeah, just the usual features. We'll just listen to the spindle and the motor running, and this one's the power feed motor running, engaging, and this engage. It's also got an auto stop on it, so you can actually set it off running, it'll stop automatically. And these are the original drawing stroke booklets that come with it for when you get the kit to build it, and this was built from this booklet, which are in brilliant condition, as you can see here. Yeah, fantastic machine. So yeah, another one up for sale. Like I say, he's letting the equipment go slowly. This is, I've just put this picture in, this was the Myford. This actually went to a gentleman doing really old car parts etc. He's manufacturing, and bought it to machine the steel parts, and also cut the imperial threads that you know on the old machines. So next up we have a drill, excuse me, Corona drill. This was converted from 3-phase to single phase with a modern no volt reverse, no volt switch on it. And like I said, this was, I think it's made by Pollard. It's the Corona version, 2FX, I think it is. Yeah, 2FX. That's mounted on a new base. Like I say, it runs relatively quiet with a 2 Morse taper. So again, most tool and fitted. This is the motor running now. Next up is a 3-phase. It's the Viceroy 20, which describes as a 20mm drilling capacity. Rise and fall table on it. Comes with 4 speeds, really quick and easy to adjust. Also it has a work light and excuse me, depth stop. Plus it comes with a chuck guard and a chuck with a key, and the chuck guard can be fitted if you want. And like I said, this one's got the under work light, if you will, works on a little switch on the side, so it lights up the table really nice. This actually was my old drill. You might have seen a corner of video with a Colchester blade, I think, and just see the colour in the corner where it is. He was getting rid of a slightly bigger drill, and and ad for a while, and I went for the bigger drill. So this is mine selling off. Like I say, it's an ex-school, I don't think it's a college, I think it's an ex-school machine, this one. Still got some of the stickers on the people who did the service, etc. Like I say, but it's nice. Just listen to it running for a minute. One of the reasons why I'm sort of umming and ahhing about getting shot of this was it's very accurate, but also the thing that I love about it is when you want to change one of the drill bits over, and the Morse taper, to knock it out, it's so easy to do. because it's like an extended shaft, if you can see. So you don't have to actually pull the quill down to knock the tape out. You can just knock it straight as it is. So yeah, love it for that reason. Brilliant. Next up is a little Fobco stair. This is actually as we speak going. Somebody's already made an offer on it, and it should be being picked up. So as this is being recorded, this is going to be picked up. So that's basically already probably gone, but we've added it into video just in case it's not. Next up is a Union Jubilee, we believe, grinder, pedestal grinder. We did this a few years ago, stripped it down, repainted it, etc. Put a new electric switch on there. Again, there'll be a 3-phase machine. The reason why I'm saying we think it's a Union Jubilee is there's no castings, there's nothing on the castings, and he does remember having the plate when he took off to paint it, etc. And he remembers seeing it, but we can't find the plate anywhere. But if we do find it, we'll add it too. But yeah, so I believe that's a Union Jubilee. Nice heavyweight, good sturdy heavyweight piece of machinery. I think it's a 10-inch diameter. One of them is a 10-inch. I think the other disc on the other end's an 8, but it takes up to 10-inch. And again, there is excuse me, I've got a bit of a cough today. There is a screw missing on the cover, one of the covers at the top, which does just make a little bit of a rattle when you actually hear it running, which we'll just listen to now. I say it's just a slight little rattle from that. I should have took a video. If you put your hand on it, it goes quiet. So it is a nice smooth machine, brilliant for any sort of tool grinding, etc. So there we go. One of the machines that my friend's unfortunately looking for a new owner for. So if you're interested in buying this machine, being its new custodian, I'll put my details below. If you're seriously interested, give us an email. We can hopefully find this a new home. So there we go, YouTubers. Thanks a lot for watching. Hope we can help my mate out, and until next time, it'll be right.